Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log out of your Paxful application using iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you are done using your Paxful application for the day and you'd like to log out of it, from your main homepage, tap the profile icon located at the upper left-hand corner. Now, scroll all the way down until you find the Sign Out button. Give it a tap and confirm your selection by tapping on Sign Out option from the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log out of your Paxful account just like that. To log in back again in the future, all you need to do is to find out the login button from the homepage, enter your credentials, that is your email address followed by your password, or you can also type in your mobile number followed by your password and tap the login button. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Paxful app from your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.